Chicago, don't play when they say snowstorm.
Oh, no, pay attention to the road. Give me. Yes, look at this guy's car. It's filled with snow. And Philip's going in his ass. He doesn't understand. Woo! Can you not be next to some people? Well, look at this shit, dude.
He's trying to catch the bus.
Fuck!
Yeah, we're getting snowed on.
We're trying to smoke a cigarette, but we can't because it's like snow is in my mouth and stuff. Hello.
Hey. The Blizzard Edition, you see?
They don't hate us, but they never cross cash money still.
Look at this, you can barely see it.
And the lights are off.
Oh my god.
Everyone's lights are off.
Seriously, I'm having panic
Ghetto ass
attacks. I probably never chanted so much for
Their cards.
a storm, but I did today. Because it's scary as fuck. Of course, Lincoln Wood never cleans. Can we stop recording?
What?